After 7th of August 2025, it's not going to be how it used to be in PT anymore. The major change is transferable scores from speaking. They're not going to go in your reading anymore, which means you've got to really work on your reading. Grammar is going to be really important. It's not going to be all about strategies and tricks anymore. It's going to be about your hard work, effort, and preparation. Guys, if you're planning to sit for the exam after 7th of August, I sincerely ask you to prepare. Please do not waste $500 every single time you go for the test. You're going to lose your confidence. You're going to lose your money. Prepare yourself before you go for the exam. And last thing, scam. There's so many scams out there buying PT certificates. We get so many calls. Please do not do this, because if you do get caught in the future, even though you're a citizen of Australia, your citizenship will be cancelled and you will have to head back to where you came from. So please do not do this. Don't get into scam. You've got to put your work in, and that's how you win this test. Thank you so much.